Gardening gloves, a handy guide. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very specific but interesting phrase, gardening gloves. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will unpack everything you need to know about gardening gloves, their uses, and their significance in English vocabulary. So, let's get our hands dirty. But not really, thanks to gardening gloves. Gardening gloves are a type of protective wear designed specifically for gardening tasks. They are made to protect your hands from dirt, thorns, chemicals, and other harmful elements that one might encounter while gardening. Not just for protection, these gloves are also designed to provide comfort and enhance grip while handling gardening tools. They come in various materials like cotton, leather, and rubber, each serving a different purpose. Gardening gloves are not just a gardening accessory but a necessity. They offer protection against cuts, abrasions, and blisters. They also prevent direct contact with soil-borne bacteria and chemicals, ensuring your skin's safety. Beyond safety, they provide comfort. Imagine pulling weeds or digging soil with bare hands. Not the most pleasant experience, right? Gardening gloves make these tasks more comfortable and efficient. When choosing gardening gloves, it's essential to consider the material and fit. Cotton gloves are lightweight and perfect for simple tasks like potting plants. Leather gloves, though heavier, offer more protection and are ideal for handling thorny plants or heavy-duty work. Rubber or synthetic gloves are best for wet conditions as they provide excellent grip and are water-resistant. Remember, a good pair of gardening gloves should fit well. Not too tight, not too loose. To make your gardening gloves last, proper care is crucial. After use, shake off any dirt, and if they're especially dirty, wash them as per the manufacturer's instructions. Store them in a dry, cool place, away from direct sunlight to prevent the material from deteriorating. With proper care, a good pair of gardening gloves can be a gardener's best friend for a long time. Gardening gloves are a small but significant part of gardening. They protect your hands, enhance your gardening experience, and can even reflect your personal style. We hope this video has been informative and helps you appreciate this humble but essential gardening tool. Happy gardening, and remember to keep your hands safe and comfortable with the right pair of gardening gloves. Until next time.